Video for technology for my class. The technology I use the most recently is my drone. The drone has lots of different uses that can be used for many different applications besides just hobby. So I'm going to kind of fly around, show you one aspect of drone flight for me, which is taking sunset pictures and sunset video. The benefit of this is I can live stream, I can do other various events and let people see exactly what I'm seeing from my headset within the first maybe second or two that I see it. So here we go.
The home point has been updated. Take off.
Now this technology is not that hard to use. It's very simple. The FAA controls drone flight. I have to call in and report that I'm about to fly my drone each and every time I fly it. This is coming out of my backyard over into a different area. As you can see, the technology also gives me the ability to see large amounts of area at a time. But my favorite is the actual sunset photography. As you can see, I'm flying. I'm very high in the sky. This is at 100 feet. Now, if you look closely, we just got done with a storm. One of the things that you can't do with this drone is fly in the rain. The reason for that is all the motors and controls are open to the outside air. That is so that you can have reduction of heat as well as a better lift. Now, if you look down, another key example that this drone can be used for, and something that you could never do with technology before like this, is actually fly over spaces and see how the light comes off into the actual area. I'm flying over the parking lot behind my house right now. This also kind of gives me the light throw, and this can be used for light designers that are designing models of lights to understand how light is thrown and also to go out and check their models. I've been doing this for probably about a year now. The hobby is not that expensive to get into. You can get one of these off the internet or at one of your local electronic stores. And the camera comes with it, so everything is controlled. It also runs off GPS, so I can program my drone to fly at specific coordinates or even follow my control mechanism around. This is great for sporting events. Some of the things you have to worry about when using this technology are following FAA rules. You're not supposed to fly at night. If you fly within 5 miles of an airport, then you're supposed to call the airport tower and let them know how long you're flying, and also let them know your registration number. This registration number comes from flying the drone and applying for a drone license. If for any reason you want to use your drone for commercial use, as of August, you now can register to pass a test for aviation and get your 107A flight restriction card, and this gives you the ability to go out and use your drone in a commercial setting. I'm studying for this right now. This would be great for realtors as well as night photographers. Getting a weak transmission signal. Looks like the camera is not broadcasting.